Today's medical-centric topic is Sumac, benefits, uses, and forms you should know about. Sumac might not be a staple in every kitchen, but it's gaining popularity for both its bold flavor and impressive health benefits. This deep red spice, made from the dried berries of the sumac shrub, has been used for centuries in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cooking and traditional medicine. So what exactly is sumac? Why is it good for you? And how can you use it? Let's break it down. What is sumac? Sumac comes from the berries of plants in the Rus genus. Once dried and ground, it produces a vibrant red powder with a tangy lemony flavor that adds brightness to many dishes. It's commonly used in spice blends like za'atar, meat rubs, salads and dressings, marinades. Health benefits of sumac. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Sumac is loaded with polyphenols and flavonoids, compounds that help fight oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest sumac may reduce inflammation, which is important for managing chronic conditions like arthritis and supporting overall health. 3. May support blood sugar control. Emerging research indicates that sumac may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially useful for people with diabetes or prediabetes, but more research is needed. 4. Heart health benefits. Sumac's antioxidant properties may also support heart health by reducing oxidative damage and improving cholesterol profiles. 5. Antimicrobial activity. Traditional uses include applying sumac extracts to help fight infections due to its natural antimicrobial properties. Forms of sumac. Sumac is available in several convenient forms. Ground sumac powder, most common, used as a seasoning. Sumac berries, sometimes sold whole, though less common for home use. Sumac extracts, found in some supplements and herbal remedies. Ground sumac is the easiest way to add it to your meals. It's ready to sprinkle and requires no prep. How to use sumac. Sprinkle on hummus or roasted vegetables for a tangy kick. Mix into salad dressings or yogurt-based sauces. Use it as a dry rub for meats or fish. Its zesty, citrus-like flavor makes it a great alternative to lemon juice or vinegar. A note of caution. Sumac is safe for most people when used in cooking. If you have allergies to cashews or mangoes, related plants, use caution. Bottom line, sumac isn't just a flavorful spice, it's a source of antioxidants and potential health benefits.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.